Hi there, and welcome to my channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of building your very own AI-powered website? Imagine creating something like Leonardo.ai or Runway ML, but entirely your own. This isn't just a dream, it's achievable, and I'm here to guide you step by step. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into profit or simply explore the fascinating world of AI, this video is packed with everything you need to know, so buckle up and get ready to dive into a journey where innovation meets opportunity. Let's make it happen together. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how you can create your own website like Leonardo.ai, Hailuo AI, or Runway ML. Imagine having the power to generate animations and images without relying on these platforms. Better yet, you can sell your services and turn this into a profitable business. You might think this sounds complicated, but trust me, even with basic programming knowledge, you can follow along and make it happen. Stick with me until the end because this video could be the start of an amazing journey for you. Ready to build your own AI empire? Let's go. Section 1. Why build an AI website? AI websites like Leonardo.ai and Runway ML have proven that AI services are a goldmine. But what if you could have your very own platform? Imagine this. Instead of paying these platforms, users come directly to your site for their needs. By offering unique features or competitive pricing, you can attract a dedicated audience. Did you know these platforms generate anywhere from thousands to millions of dollars annually? Even smaller AI sites have carved out profitable niches. This means there's plenty of room for newcomers to succeed if they target the right audience. Here's the best part. This isn't just about money. By building your site, 1. Control your services and pricing entirely. You decide how much to charge and what features to offer, giving you complete financial independence. This flexibility allows you to cater to niche markets or experiment with innovative ideas without limitations. 2. Create a personal or business brand. A unique platform helps you stand out in the competitive AI space, showcasing your creativity and expertise. Over time, your brand can grow into a trusted name, attracting partnerships and loyal customers. 3. Earn recurring revenue through subscriptions or projects. Offering tiered subscriptions ensures a steady income while providing value to different types of users. Custom project-based services can further boost your earnings by catering to specific client needs. So, why wait to grab your piece of this booming market? Let's dive into how you can start today. Section 2. Tools and requirements. To get started, you'll need a few things. Here's a breakdown. 1. Programming languages and frameworks. If you're a beginner, Python is your best friend. Use frameworks like Flask or Django to build your website. These tools make creating simple, functional sites easy. 2. Pre-trained AI models. You don't need to build AI models from scratch. Use pre-trained models like Stable Diffusion for generating images, GPT or LLAMA for text-based tasks, ControlNet for animations and videos. 3. Cloud services. AI processing requires powerful servers. Start with free options like Google Colab or opt for paid services like AWS, Google Cloud, or Hugging Face Spaces. 4. User interface design. Create an intuitive and attractive front end using tools like React or pre-built HTML templates. 5. Payment gateways. To monetize your site, integrate payment services like Stripe or PayPal. These tools will help you minimize costs and effort while maximizing your results. Before we move on to the final steps, I want to take a moment to talk to you directly. Are you finding this content useful? If so, now is the perfect time to hit that like button and share this video with anyone who might be interested. Building an AI-powered website is a journey filled with learning and growth. By sharing this knowledge, you're not just helping others, you're supporting creators like me to keep bringing you valuable content. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Trust me, this is just the beginning of a series of exciting tutorials we've got lined up for you. Your support means the world, and it helps us keep creating amazing content. Let's continue this journey together. Section 3. Step-by-step guide to building your AI website. 1. Brainstorm and plan. Start by defining your site's purpose. Will it generate images like Leonardo.ai? Create animations similar to Runway ML? Choose a niche that makes your service unique and valuable. 2. Set up a server? Begin with a cloud server. Google Colab is great for starters because it's free and simple. For heavier workloads, consider AWS or Azure. 3. Choose your AI model. Download and set up models like Stable Diffusion or Runway ML. Want a custom touch? Train your model using libraries like PyTorch. 4. Develop the backend. Use Flask or Django to create a server that handles user requests. For example, let users upload an image or text and return AI-generated content in response. 5. Design the front end. Use React or HTML templates to build a user-friendly interface. Ensure users can easily navigate and access services. 6. Integrate payment systems. Add payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal to allow users to pay for services. Keep it simple and secure for maximum trust. 7. Test and debug. Before launching, test every aspect of your site. Invite a few users to provide feedback. Use debugging tools and monitoring systems to fix any issues. Section 4. Monetizing your AI website. Now that your site is live, let's talk about making money. 1. Subscription plans. Offer users monthly or yearly subscriptions to access your AI tools. This provides you with stable, recurring income. Plus, you can offer tiered plans to cater to different user needs. 2. Project-based services. Provide custom services like generating specific animations or images. Charge based on the complexity and quality of the project, ensuring you're fairly compensated for your efforts. 3. Advertising revenue. Use ad placements on your site to generate extra income. AI-related ads often have high conversion rates, making this a lucrative option. 5. Collaborate with businesses. Position your platform as a tool for small businesses and startups. Offer tailored solutions to meet their needs, creating a win-win situation. Marketing tips for attracting clients. Promote your site on social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Create tutorial videos to show users how your services work and share them on YouTube. Collect user feedback and continually improve your offerings. As you've seen, building an AI website like Leonardo.ai or Runway ML is no longer a far-fetched dream. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can step into this exciting industry. Not only will you leverage cutting-edge technology, but you'll also create a sustainable income stream. By offering unique services and continuously improving, your website can grow into a trusted platform that users love. Before we wrap up, let me remind you of one thing. You have the power to innovate, create, and succeed. Don't let doubts hold you back. Take the first step today, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your questions. I'll make sure to answer them all. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. Together, we can build the future one idea at a time. Want to see more content like this? Let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Your feedback helps shape the direction of this channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.